Owning a Jetson Electric Bike opens up a world of eco-friendly transportation and fun. To get started, carefully unbox and assemble your bike, following the included instructions. Ensure all components are secure and inspect for any damage. Before your first ride, fully charge the battery by connecting the charger to a wall outlet. It usually takes about 3 to 5 hours for a full charge. Perform safety checks by inspecting the brakes, tires, and bolts, and adjust the seat height for comfort. Power on your bike using the control panel and familiarize yourself with its components. Choose between pedal assist and throttle modes. Pedal assist helps you tackle hills, while the throttle allows you to ride without pedaling. Always wear a helmet and follow local traffic laws while riding. Regular maintenance is essential. Check tire pressure, inspect brakes, and clean the chain every few weeks. Proper battery care is also crucial. Avoid letting it fully deplete and store it in a cool place when not in use. If you encounter issues, consult the user manual for troubleshooting tips. Embrace this exciting mode of transportation and enjoy all that your Jetson Electric Bike has to offer.